Hey Alice, I've been really interested in artificial intelligence lately, but it seems so vast and complex. How do I even start learning AI?
Great question, Bob. Learning AI can seem overwhelming at first, but with a structured approach, it becomes much more manageable. Let's break it down.
Awesome! What's the first step?
Start with the basics. You need a solid foundation in mathematics, especially linear algebra, calculus, and probability. These are essential for understanding the algorithms behind AI.
Math, got it. What next?
Then, dive into programming. Python is the most popular language for AI due to its simplicity and extensive libraries. Get comfortable with Python and learn how to use libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib.
I've dabbled in Python before. What should I focus on after that?
Once you're comfortable with programming, start exploring machine learning. Learn the basic concepts and algorithms like linear regression, classification, and clustering. There are great online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, edX, and Udacity.
Any specific courses you recommend?
Definitely. Andrew Ng's machine learning course on Coursera is a classic. It covers the fundamentals very well. After that, you can check out specialized courses on deep learning and neural networks.
Sounds good. What about practical experience?
Practical experience is crucial. Work on projects to apply what you've learned. Start with small projects like predicting house prices or classifying images, and gradually take on more complex challenges.
Any tips for finding project ideas?
Kaggle is a fantastic resource. It's a platform where you can find datasets and participate in competitions. It's a great way to test your skills and learn from others in the community.
Kaggle, got it. What else should I focus on?
Stay up to date with the latest research. Read papers from conferences like NeurIPS, ICML, and CVPR. Follow AI researchers and practitioners on social media and join AI communities.
That sounds like a lot, but also very exciting. Anything else?
Lastly, the YouTube channel Computing for All has some great starting points, tutorials, and explanations on AI topics. AI is a rapidly evolving field, and continuous learning is key. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. That's how you learn.
This gives me a clear path to start my AI journey. Thanks for the guidance, Alice.